Hi everyone, my name is Katie Peck and I'm a living classroom instructor. Today we're going to be eating the whole plant. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need any plant parts you might be able to find around your kitchen. A type of root, carrots or jicama, a type of stem, celery or bamboo shoots, a type of leafy greens such as spinach or arugula, a type of fruit, strawberries, grapes, pears, a type of flower, cauliflower or broccoli, and a type of seed, like sunflowers or pumpkin seeds. Did you think of a different food we could use for our roots, stems, leaves, fruits, flowers, or seeds? If so, that's fantastic. Go ahead and leave it in the comments. We will also need a paper plate or a blank piece of paper, as well as a writing utensil. Before we get snacking, we're going to draw out the 6 main parts of the plant. So go ahead and grab a paper plate or a blank piece of paper. First, we are going to start by drawing a line across the bottom of our paper for our soil. Next, draw a few squiggly lines into our soil. These are going to be our roots. Draw a tall line going up into the sky. This is our plant's stem. Now let's draw some leaves on both sides of our stem. On the top of the stem, go ahead and draw a big, beautiful flower. To finish off our drawing, go ahead and draw a fruit. What's your favorite fruit? Great job! Now that you can see all the parts of our plant, we are going to place our cut up plants onto the top of our drawing. Let's start with our carrot. Carrots grow under the soil. So where might this one go? That's right, on top of the roots. The root's job is to absorb water and nutrients. Now let's move on to our celery. Celery grows big and tall up into the sky. Where might this one go? Yep, the celery is going to go on top of our stem. The stem's job is to hold the plant up nice and tall. I think you're gonna get this one really quick. Where do our leafy greens go? Nice. Yes, the leafy greens are the leaves, and their job is to catch energy from the sun so that the plant will grow big and tall. This one might be a little tricky. Where do you think the cauliflower goes? The cauliflower is a flower. We eat it before it blossoms into bright yellow flowers. Where do you think the strawberry goes? The strawberry goes on top of the fruit. Nice job. Now for the last one. Where do the seeds go? That's right, they could go in 2 places on our flower or on our fruit. Different plants make seeds differently. Some seeds are in the flower and others are found in their fruit. Now that we've put all of our pieces on the parts of our plant, go ahead and enjoy a snack. Do your best to give each part of the plant a little nibble because you might be pleasantly surprised at how tasty they all are. This activity comes from our kindergarten lesson, Incredible Edibles, and our first grade lesson, Powerful Plants. But we think people of all ages will enjoy tasting all 6 parts of a plant.